Hey friends, today we're doing riblets, or as I call them, party ribs. Perfect for the big game, super tender, delicious. They just fall off the bone. All right, let's get started on these riblets. I got a rack of ribs. They're baby backs. I had my butcher cut them in half right down the middle. So now I got 2 racks there. I'm going to clean off some of this excess fat, take off the membrane. While I'm doing that, please remember to like, share, subscribe. Tell all your friends and family about us. I really appreciate it. Now we're going to take each rack, cut it in half, and this is going to give us 4 mini racks of ribs. So what you want to do now is go and get your favorite rub and generously season both sides of the ribs. I like to use the Killer Hog rub from Walmart. He's also got a YouTube channel. And once these are seasoned up, we're going to put them on a plate. And we're going to put those in our refrigerator and let them sit for about an hour or two. Just to let that seasoning really soak into the meat. Now, get your crock pot out, get your Worcestershire sauce out, and get a stick of butter out. So 2 hours have passed. We got our crock pot on high. We put the stick of butter in there. And we're going to take our racks and we're going to individually cut each rib off the rack. Then we'll put those riblets right in the crock pot with the butter. And once we have all the riblets cut up and in the crock pot, we're going to put a couple dashes of Worcestershire sauce right on top of them. And we'll put the lid on this crock pot and let this go for 1 hour. Now, once the hour is up, grab yourself a spatula or wooden spoon or whatever you have. And get into that crock pot and move everybody around a little bit. Everybody's got to change positions. Okay, now put the lid on, let it go for another hour. After the second hour, we're going to do the same thing. Get in there with the spoon and shake them all up a little bit. Then we're going to put the lid on and go for another hour. So it'll be a total of 3 hours in the crock pot on high. Once the 3 hours are up, we're going to take out the riblets, put them into a bowl. And once we have all the riblets out, we're going to get our favorite barbecue sauce out. And we're going to take each riblet, dunk it into barbecue sauce. And I've got a baking sheet with some parchment paper there. So we'll set each piece on the baking sheet. My oven is preheated to 400 degrees. So once all the riblets are on the sheet, we're going to pop them in the oven at 400 for 20 to 25 minutes just to kind of caramelize them up a little bit. Take them out and they're ready to serve for your party, your Super Bowl party, whatever you got going on. All right, hey, thanks for watching and come back again soon. Thank you.